Drift Enterprise Marketing, iPricing explained what you get for your money. Drift has redefined how businesses communicate with customers, turning conversations into revenue. But what do you actually get with Drift Enterprise, and is the eye worth it? Drift's enterprise pricing starts at around $500 per month and scales based on user count and data volume. While that sounds premium, it's built for companies that want to automate and personalize customer conversations at scale. Most people get this wrong. They think Drift is just for chatbots. In reality, at the enterprise level, it's a full conversational marketing engine. You get a power chat that identifies high-value leads, books meetings for your sales team, and qualifies prospects instantly without human intervention. Drift's AI learns from your sales data and messaging patterns, continuously improving over time. Enterprise users also gain robust analytics, role-based controls, account-based marketing integration, and advanced security features. And with Drift's playbooks, your marketing and sales teams can personalize conversations by visitor type, campaign, or behavior. Add Incrum integration with Salesforce and HubSpot, and you've got an iSystem that connects real-time conversations directly to pipeline growth. In short, Drift Enterprise turns your website into a living, breathing sales assistant working to engage, qualify, and convert.